I was just gonna let the music play up, but hold up, it's Lesa Milan. So let's do a story time on how I became Lesa Milan's personal makeup artist. Lesa Milan is a beauty queen, mom, wife, entrepreneur, and reality TV star. It all started in 2023, but before then, in 2021 and 2022, she reached out to me via WhatsApp twice to book me, but I was always not available for those particular dates and times, sadly. In the first quarter of 2023, I think around February or March, two of my clients sent a story about Lisa looking for a makeup artist, and I sent her a message, and that's how it all started. It was also the time when we were filming The Real Housewives of Dubai season 2. So I was on board the entire behind the scenes, doing her makeup every other day for the show. Late nights, early mornings. So if you watch The Real Housewives season 2, did all of our glams from regular outings, dinner to confessionals in Dubai. Meeting Lisa has been such a rewarding experience for me. There's a saying that goes, it takes just one person, just one client, and truly I cannot overemphasize how much she's impacted my life and business in general. She's now more like a big sister to me, and I absolutely love her. She's pure, strong, real, and never ceases to motivate others around her. In simple terms, I would say she's such a leveler. You cannot be around her and not level up, and that's on period. I know for a fact that I am a very good makeup artist, but Lisa is such a perfectionist that it made me even better at my craft, to be very honest. The look you're currently watching right now is her signature kind of look. And guys, she loves this look so much. She would always say this look is timeless and she could go back to it 20 years to come and it'll still look really, really good. I feel like celebrities or high profile clients, or I mean, don't get me wrong, trends come and go, but if you are trying to build something for yourself as a celebrity, a public figure, I feel like you should get a signature kind of look. It also helps your makeup artist, the people that work around you. Like, there are some days whereby we are in a rush. We have just 30 minutes. We have like maybe, let's say 20-25 minutes. I already know what I'm gonna do, and we still pull a flawless glam. Yes, that's because we already know what we're doing. So there's no time for us to like, okay, we didn't get this look right. Let's do this. But there's no wasting of time. So it's either soft brown smoky, deeper brown smoky, or a dark brown smoky. But this is just the look. We try to experiment sometimes, especially during shoots, and now it has rubbed off on me, and I always advise my regular clients, let's get a signature look. Prior to me being her makeup artist, I have had some international clients, especially from the US, but getting to be in her corner and also being on the Real Housewives TV show, it exposed my brand globally. I can go on and on about how much positivity she exudes, but one thing I'll say is that I'm grateful for her. Her energy just motivates you to be more and not settle. And not to talk about all the lessons and the advice she gives. I'm also grateful and thankful to the clients who send her story posts to me and for the journey so far. On that particular day, I sent the message to her. I was hesitant. I mean, this is not the typical me. It's not something that I would do on a normal day. I don't like messaging people for them to patronize me, but I was just like, okay, let me just follow my guts, and it clicked. Everything worked out, and here we are 3 years later, and many more years to go. Since our very first glam up till this date, I cannot count how many times I have done her makeup, and they are all paid jobs. The number of people that have booked me via Lisa just because they have seen my work through her beautiful face, and they'll say, oh, it has to be Winnie, it has to be me, it has to be Flairbywinnie. I'm just so grateful. I don't know how to put my words right now. This goes to show that Lisa is such a loyalist to her people. I also have a couple of clients like this too, and I'm so grateful to them. This is my 11th year in business as a makeup artist, and I put it to you that you should not give up. Stay consistent on your craft and also stay loyal to the people who see you for who you are, the people who appreciate your work, your time, your creativity, and your craft. Up until this day and very moment, she stays consistent with me to, in a sense that she's never late, and even if she's at least few minutes late, she will always tell me beforehand, oh please, I'm running behind schedule. In fact, I'm shocked at how she works, because when you're already working with someone and there might be over familiarity, but when it comes to business, when it comes to how she relates with me, it's very professional. When we're working together, she's professional. She's not just acting like, oh, it's Winnie, I can delay her. No, she's not like that. And I also see the same character, these attributes with every other person that she works with. There are some rare days when I'm not available to do her makeup. She would rather do it herself. Sometimes I wonder who I am that God used people like this to bless me and my business. Then I remember I am his favorite child. And trust me, I dearly say prayers up for her. Prayers up for my other clients too, because yes, God handpicks my clients, and I'm so grateful for that. I put it to you and I say, if you have people or clients like this, don't play about them. Life may happen, but do your best to make positive impact at that point in their life. I hope you're not getting carried away with this gist too much and you're actually learning something from this makeup tutorial. Let me let you enjoy the rest of this video, or try as much as you can to at least pick one or two from all that I have said. But before I leave you, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment on this video, and also share this video. There's always someone that wants to learn something new. So guys, I'll see you again next week. And oh, let me know what you'd like to see more on this channel. Enjoy!
Every night are we paradise seems so far away. Still I try to buy myself some time to get me to that place. All I want is staying up till we want to. Tell you what I bet that we can see it new. I wanna let go, nothing to prove. Let's throw all our worries away. I know that it takes two to confuse. Tell me, baby, what do you say? 'Cause we were just friends, and now it's something far over. And I bet that we could find a way closer. Never wanted to put all of this in your head, but I can see that we're only friends. But I can see that we're